Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video of WP Maps Pro. In this video, we are going to learn how to display Google Maps on a full page. The full screen control allows displaying maps in full screen view, so the device screen will be covered by Google Maps. With the WP Maps Pro plugin, you can easily turn on or off full screen control on Google Maps. Step 1. Go to Add or Manage Maps, Edit Map. Here scroll down to the Control Settings section. Step 2. By default, full screen control is enabled. Tick the Turn off full screen control option to remove the full screen control. Step 3. Click Save Map and see the changes. Now go to Manage Maps and copy the shortcode. That's it. I hope you have learned how to display Google Maps in full page. Thanks for watching the video.